All right, here's a little later model car. 2006 Buick Lucerne CXS. So this would be the highest trim level you could get in a Buick in 2006 as far as the Lucernes went. CXS was powered by a 4.6 liter V8 underneath the hood. That is paired with a 4-speed automatic transmission with overdrive. Now, this particular car, two-owner car, has always been in our area, regularly serviced in our area here at the Buick dealership that this would have been bought at brand new. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside of this car, engine bay, interior, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to the website and the still pictures. Of course, feel free to call us too, 507-386-1726. Paint in the car is nice shape. There's a couple little touch-ups that I've seen going around it. I'll point out one on the driver's door. But overall, considering the car is 14 years old, paint is in nice shape. You are going to find a few little marks, as you will on black cars. Now, this car does have approximately 35,000 original miles on it, just slightly over that. Get around to the driver's side and we'll start it up, check out the engine bay, and show you the exact miles. This one is riding on the optional chrome wheels. Also has practically new, from what I can tell by looking at, Bridgestone radials on there. And you'll be able to see the tread depth in those still pictures also. Of course, the 4 holes up here, harkening back to the Roadmaster days. Some of the older Buicks were known as 3 holders or 4 holders, depending on the size of them. It does have WeatherTech vent visors added, and I believe this chrome was also added between the 2 doors. Also a light chrome trim added down in the bottom. Rock guards front and rear, dual exhaust. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with transportation of this vehicle, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract, so consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. See a nice reflection coming off that car, reflection of the showroom behind me. Now, the one touch-up spot I want to remember to tell you about, now where did it go? Right here. You can kind of see that, but nicely touched up. Kind of a sign that a car is well taken care of when they're using a little touch-up paint on the light scratches. Remember, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to the website where these still pictures will be at. Now, let's check out this interior. Kind of a beige, tan-colored interior. As far as options, I'll try to hit most of them here. So you would have the heated and ventilated seats, as well as memory seating, power mirrors, power windows, power locks. I do have the Harman Kardon stereo system in this one. Power driver's seat. We have driver's information center here. Steering wheel controls. Dual climate control. AM/FM CD player. Of course, bucket seats up front with the shifter in the center console. OnStar. Now, let's go ahead and start this up. I'll give you the exact miles that way. And again, a little over 35,000. There you go. 35,735. No warning indicators, anything like that on. The only light that's on, that's flashing, is a seatbelt light. Got my seatbelt on, stereo system, dual climate control, AC blows cold, everything working as it should. No cracks in the dash. All right, slip out to the back. These were known as very quiet riding cars. This car has just shy of 300 horse. Move it right along down the road. They're a pretty luxurious car from Buick in 06. And again, this was their upper level car. As you can hear how quiet that car runs. Again, 4.6 liter underneath the hood. I'm going to go ahead and pause this a second. I want to at least let you check out the engine bay, of course, in these Later model cars, not quite as much to see as in the classics, but I want you to see how clean it is, and it has been well taken care of. So hold on a second, let's get that popped. All right, here you go. So you can see how nice and tight it is underneath here. Like I said, 2-owner car, regularly serviced in our area here at the Buick dealer. So again, well maintained, a little over 35,000 miles in this car. A lot of life left in this one, especially with only 35,000 miles on it. So if you're looking for really an economical car for what you get as far as options, equipment, size, these are a good deal. 2006 Buick Lucerne CXS sedan. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to our website where you can see still pictures. And remember, we do consider trades. We can assist with transportation. Financing is available. And of course, this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.